It works.
So yeah, so as far as taking away something, put your thinking cap on. Look closely at the part. See if it matches. You know, and if it doesn't match, ask yourself some questions. Call up somebody else, ask them, what do you think? You know, but think critically, because nowadays, just because they say it fits, doesn't mean it fits.
Yeah.
Got a 30-second story. 25 years ago in Michigan, laying on the ground on the snow, trying to change the alternator on my boyfriend's Toyota Tercel, which was on the bottom. Old one drops right out, 2 bolts, new one. I'm looking at them. They're the I'm looking at them. You know, half an hour later, I'm freezing. I go in. It was a rebuild. They flipped the alder plate. The ear went slightly out instead of in. Therefore, it wouldn't go in.
Right.
But if you didn't have them right in front of you,
You wouldn't know.
oh, look right there, that little 1/4 inch.
So we're spending a lot of, you know, and I'm speaking for myself, but I'll speak about it too. We spend a lot of time where we get parts and we start to install them and we realize it ain't the right part. And
All the time.
Sometimes it's if you're 3/4 of the way through before you realize.
And it's not just the local vendors, it's even
It's nationwide.
and specialized places too. Not as much, but
Yeah, well, no, you're
no, they screw it up too.
I always tell people when I worked at Advance or AutoZone or Napa or wherever, I'd like, you know, especially with a starter or especially an alternator, because they can change the clock position sometimes. Bring in your old part. Look at it before.
Oh
When I
yeah.
worked for Chrysler, I had the Chrysler tech. This doesn't fit. This ball joint's on wrong, and I actually had to twist his hand around and go, now it does.
Reclock it.
Yeah.
Easy.
Never send your core in until the new one is on.
Yeah.